Hi everyone, this is Jeannie Ellis, also known as Scrapbooking Mama. Today ended our Craft Room Helper collab and giveaway. And today is the day that I will pick the winner of my channel. And you have to be a subscriber in order to win this prize. I did try to pick one a while ago and I found out the person had already unsubscribed, and so that made her become ineligible. So I'm having to do it again, and I will check and see who wins this time around. So I am using something called YouTube Random Comment Picker, and I will show you how I do it. First, you'll see on the screen that says YouTube Random Comment Picker. And in the right side, the right box there's a white box that I can place my video URL into it. I've already copied that URL and I'm going to paste it into this box. And I have it check mark where it will filter out duplicate users because you can only make one comment. So here we go. Get YouTube comments. How many are there? 141. It shows right around in here where I've got my cursor. And I'm going to scroll down to step 2 where it says to start raffle and pick random winner. And you're going to see ads here because it's a free um, um, software. I guess anyway, it's free. And I'm going to click where it says start. And this will uh, go through all the comments made and it'll show me who won. Let's click it. See all the different names on there? And the winner is Janice Walters. She put, love the foiling. Congratulations, Janice. And let me know what your email address is so that we can connect and I can get your physical address. Please don't put your physical address in the comment box. Let me know your email address by putting it in the comment box of this video, not the other video, but this one here. So again, congratulations and thank you to each and every one who subscribed to my channel and who are already subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate it. So thank you and many blessings.